Assalamu alaikum. Let's move to the next step of tense learning, and that is about sentence structure in continuous aspect of action. Let's have a brief recap. Continuous aspect of action is used in past tense for the actions that were going on at a particular point of time in past, in present for the actions that are going on now, and in future for the actions that will be going on at a particular point of time in future. Let's see how sentences are formed in this aspect of action in all the tenses. We'll discuss all the sentences, affirmative, negative and interrogative, and we'll see them in all the tenses, past, present and future. In past tense, subject is followed by a helping verb, either was or were, and then ing form, and then by the object. There are two helping verbs in this tense, was and were. Was is used for singulars and were for plurals. He was playing cricket, they were playing cricket. I hope you would have understood by the examples. Next is present tense, and in it you see the helping verbs are changed, but the form of verb is the same. So this is the most interesting thing about this aspect, which makes it the easiest one, that you don't have to change the form of verb to change tense. You just have to change the helping verbs. There are three helping verbs for this tense. They are is, are and am. Is for singulars, are for plurals and am for I. Next, in future, again there are two helping verbs, will and shall. Will is used with all other nouns and pronouns, but shall is used only with I and we. And that are the first person pronouns. In future tense, subject is followed by will be or shall be, and then ing form of verb and then object. Ing form of verb is also called progressive form of verb. To change the sentences into negative, you have to add not between the helping verb and the verb. You see, we have added not between was playing, and it has become he was not playing cricket, and they were not playing cricket. In present, we have added not after is, are and am, and they have become the negative sentences. The same sentences, he is playing cricket has become he is not playing cricket, they are playing cricket has become they are not playing cricket, and I am playing cricket has become I am not playing cricket. Now look at the future tense. In the negative sentences, we have to add not after will and shall. He will not be playing cricket, I shall not be playing cricket. To make interrogative sentences, we have to take the helping verbs to the beginning of the sentence, like was and were are at the beginning in the past tense. You can see, was he playing cricket, were they playing cricket. In present, is, are and am will begin the sentences, and the subjects will follow. Is he playing cricket, are they playing cricket, and am I playing cricket? These are the interrogative form of the sentences that were used in affirmative in present tense. I have used the same sentence to show you the changes. Now in future tense, will and shall will begin the sentences, and then subjects will follow them. After that, be and progressive form of verb will be there, and then the object will come. Like, will he be playing cricket, or shall we be playing cricket? Next, there is some interesting practice work for you. There's a picture from the life of primitive people, and you have to describe it in past continuous tense. You may begin like, this is a picture of a primitive family when this picture was taken. Well, now from here onwards you have to continue, and this is the particular point of time when this picture was taken. So at that particular point of time, what was going on, you have to tell. Next worksheet is about the present continuous tense, in which there are many pictures with sentences and verbs in brackets. You have to fill them in present continuous tense in the blanks to complete the sentences, and you have to do the same in this worksheet for future continuous tense. After you are done, mail them to me and I'll be glad to appreciate. Allah Hafiz.